Next up, we have Steve Breedlove. He has been studying under Miss Heather since 2010, and throughout his time at Conservatory of the Ozarks, he has as well done numerous studio recitals, master classes, competitions, even appearances on local television. And he, as well this evening, will be joined by Riley Laredo, and he is singing the Christmas classic, White Christmas. Steve Breedlove and Riley Laredo on piano. Powerful, rich voice. That was such a beautiful take on White Christmas. Thank you.